In this video, I will be showing you how to fix problem with Recovery Hack Facebook account. Logging into Facebook and discovering that your account has been hacked is not fun. However, it does happen and the consequences for you, your friends, and family may be significant. The hack is typically easy to spot. Your profile can start placing advertisements or your friends' pages urging them to purchase imitation Ray-Bans or other comparable items. Additionally, your Facebook account may have been hacked if it has changed your profile information, sent spam, emails, or even your email address and password. All of this are undesirable situations that you should steer clear of. Another typical Facebook hack involves sending your friends messages via Messenger that asks them to click on a link. When they do, their account will typically be compromised as well. Thankfully, there's an easy way to discover whether or not someone else has logged into your Facebook account. Follow the steps and everything will work. First, you need to go to your Google web browser and follow this one here, managing account Facebook, something like that. Tap the first one here and then click this managing your account Facebook Help Center. So once you tap this, you can see some options like using Facebook, managing your account, privacy, safety and security, policies and reporting. Click managing your account, the second one here. Now you have also options here, but click the first one, login and password. So here you have another selection choices again. Just click the first one, log into your account, and then yes, tap the first one also that says log into your Facebook account. So tap this arrow facing down. Now you have to scroll down and kindly look for if you're having a problem logging in. So you have to tap this find out what to do next. So here in this section, you can see recover your Facebook account if you can't log in. Okay, recover your Facebook account using the find your account page. Now scroll down and tap this if you're having trouble finding your account using the find your account page. Click this one. And then you have to scroll down again and look for let us know. And then after you click this one, you can see here under hack and fake accounts, you have to scroll down and click this recover account if you think your Facebook account was hacked or if someone is using it without your permission. You can see the arrow facing down. You just have to tap that one and then click get started. Okay, so they will help you in how to recover your account. Now here you can see help with a hack account. You just have to answer a few questions and they will help you find the right solution. So here you just have to tap the first one here. Okay. Someone else gained access to my account. Okay. After that, they will answer you. Okay. Now, sorry to hear that. You just have to click no, I can't log in. So after you answer that one, you have two choices again here. No, I don't have the access to the phone number or email address on the account. Click the second one. So the last one here is that they will give you a link and you have to click that one and it will take you directly to another site. Okay, enter your mobile number. Now, if you don't have that one, then you can search for your email instead, or you can just enter your full name. So you just have to enter your full name here. You should be honest with this. Okay. So enter your full name. And then once done, you just have to click search. And probably you can see your name once you click that one or any list of the people with the same name. So if it's not you, then you can say I am not on the list. Click this one if you can see your name or your profile here. Now your name, Ellie, right? So let us know, find your account, please enter a friend's full name. Okay, so you just have to enter a full name of your friend. Okay, and then type search. Now, this one, if it's you, you can tap yes, continue. Okay, so once you tap yes, continue, they will give you, or the Facebook will give you some choices or options on how to log in. For example, we'll send it to your email. Okay, we can send you a login code. So you just have to go to your Gmail and then open it. Then you can recover your hack account. Now, if this one didn't work, then you can exit the application and you have no choice but to uninstall your Facebook account. Long press the application and click uninstall. Okay, click uninstall. And you can install again. Just go to your Google web browser. You can go to your Google Play Store and then tap Facebook and install. So maybe in that way, you can recover your account by just simply, with the help of your phone's information about you, you can simply log in to your Facebook account. So let's just say you log in or you install your Facebook account. All you have to do is to tap your Facebook application here. And then you can tap this forgot password. Okay, so find your account, enter your mobile phone if you have, but if you don't have, you can also search by email. So enter a mobile number. So if you don't have the access to your phone number, you can type your email address or your full name here. Let's just say my name is Ali Wright and then find account. Now you can see the list of the people here. For example, this is you. Or if you're not here, you can also tap I don't see my account. And then let's type a friend's name. Now, once the Facebook is convinced with the information that you provided, and if you're using the same device, same network, and some information are stored on your device, then there's a big possibility that you can log in your account, especially if you're using your main account because they can help you totally if you can just provide them what they ask. For example, your identity, your friend's identity. If you don't have this email address or phone number, it's very important that your identity or the information that you put in your Facebook are true so that once you recover or if someone hacked your account, then if you provide them the correct details, then there's a huge possibility that you can recover or you can fix problem with recovery hack Facebook account. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.